Repairing industrial electronics keeps your equipment running and maintains consistency in your company's operations. In contrast to repair, replacing equipment forces you to retrain, update procedures, and can actually impact quality with your product. Upgrading one machine in your fleet can lead to confusion among operators and waste years of expertise. Maintain equipment consistency in your operations by choosing repair over replacement. Keep operations smooth and let your team work efficiently with what they know best. Trust Control System Labs with your industrial electronic repairs. Start the repair process now at controlrepair.com.